Yeah, bro.
Very nice. Very nice.
The audio's gone worse. I don't know why.
Is it? What is it bad now?
Yeah.
It's weird, isn't it? I don't get it.
Yeah, I do. Very strange. Are you on YouTube yet?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, what does it sound like?
Did you watch that? The IG video that I put on yesterday?
No.
If you watch that, he kept doing it on there. It's the same thing. Just like, it like cuts in and out.
I don't get it. It's so annoying.
I know.
But I don't have to sort it, that's the thing. Oh yeah,
You know what I mean?
it like comes in and out, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Is it still doing it now?
No.
Alright, that's fine. I honestly don't get it. I don't know why it does it.
Bloody stupid.
Because I thought it was now and it keeps doing it.
Oh well.
It's bullshit. Don't have to sort it.
Bullshit.
Bullshit, son.
You know, on the 30-minute, you know, Dollar Card, I was saying, you know, like when we took EU
Yeah.
on Dollar Card, you know, I said it's probably going to go long from here. Another like insane move as well.
Oh yeah. Yeah, well, that's a serious move, isn't it?
You know, EU that we did,
Yeah.
right? It ran to 1 to 24. That's how far it went.
Bloody hell.
Risk to reward.
Jesus Christ. That's ridiculous.
So if you left quarter of your position in, you could have still made 6% in that very final position.
Bloody hell.
That's me out.
Yeah.
What are you looking at?
No, I'm still going through them.
Okay, did it then again.
Yeah, I might stop the stream. I can't be asked with it, to be honest. Who are people are watching there?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, come on. And then it'll just be like dead jumping glitchy, like people don't know what's it there.
Yeah, and I don't know how he's doing it. It's pretty bad. Yeah, come off it if you want to get on.
I don't know. It's weird, isn't it? I wonder if it would just do it on the Zoom meeting as well.
Yeah, I don't know.
I wonder if it is the Zoom meeting which is doing it.
Try it. Come off stream.
What, and see if you still get feedback.
Yeah.
But are you listening to it? Are you listening to it through your?
Yeah, no, I'm listening to it on Zoom.
You're listening to it through Zoom, aren't you? Yeah. We'll just leave it for the time being. I don't really care. It's fine. You don't get very feedbacky there. I can't hear anything from your end.
Maybe it's like your microphone or something on your laptop. Or maybe it's because you're running all the stuff.
Probably. I just don't think my computer's powerful enough to do it, to be honest.
Yeah, and I did it again then.
Just when I'm clicking around, I'm like, is it doing it now? I bet it's doing it now, isn't it? Did it crackle then?
A little bit.
Yeah. It's when I'm clicking around, it's when the computer's trying to do something it can't do it.
Yeah, did it again then.
Yeah. My computer's not good enough for that, just like it.
I had him into far like.
No, it's so annoying. I don't get it. I don't get it.
Okay, I'll let you know. That'd be a nice long on the dollar card on the 15-minute inside leg. Let's go, let's go.
You up?
Nice long on the dollar card on the 15-minute inside leg.
Oh yeah.
Not yet, obviously.
No. You got bullshit thing.
It always looks weird going the other way.
Yeah, it don't feel right, does it?
It just looks different. It's weird.
Here's a resolution for your team. Stop over-meeting. Use Asana for better team collaboration. And say goodbye to unnecessary calendar invites. Get started
Got some adverts on
at
Asana.
asana.com. That's A-S-A-N-A.
Talk to me.
Like lovers do.
Chicken wings and poo.
Yeah, it does look good, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. It pushed up then, but never quite hit it.
Yeah, yeah. I have it above.
It's so hard to take longs because your entries are always worse.
Yeah, with spread it's a lot higher, isn't it?
Okay. Like it like just missed it high.
Yeah, because the spread's wider, it can easily catch you. I didn't actually have my position ready, so it never got me.
Yeah, no. But it never hit the high, so you never trigger him.
No trigger.
No, my trigger.
No, it's broken the low, this one. So
If it goes back to that high, though, it's a fun beauty.
yeah.
Yeah, weird that how it just flipped, but it just missed the trigger. And if you were gonna hit, well, I don't really place orders on longs on inside legs unless there's like a lot of room. It's the spread. The spread's easy to work out.
Yeah, well, the spread always has like 9 pips, something ridiculous, isn't it? So you've got to get it above the high. It's got to be quite above it, hasn't it? Really.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, it needs to hit that high. What is the spread, isn't it?
What's 7 or 8?
It's a 0.9, it's like a pip almost. 29.
You'll have your TP right on that highest wick, won't you?
Like it just in that area, to be honest.
Yeah. You can just about get this through hard.
Give me a minute. Well, to be fair, this candle's closing in like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
So you get a tight stop loss.
Oh, yeah. Tight
Potentially. 49. Yeah, it needs to hit it on a trading view.
Yeah.
It just missed the wee little thing.
No, I think I'm trading view.
No, it didn't.
Oh, sorry, I'm trading. I hit it on MetaTrader, sorry. Not trading view.
Yeah, I know, but not on trading view.
Yeah.
All we to do is spread that.
Yeah.
Back to me. It's almost closed.
That's better. Slightly type of stuff.
Aye. What right, hit it now.
Yeah. Yeah, it's already triggered me in.
Was it?
The spread, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not.
That's so dirty, is that? Yeah, 9292, it's entered me.
I hate putting pending orders on loans.
Oh, why?
I just don't like it. No. I think I'd rather like market execute on a lot.
Yeah, you seem to work better, to be fair.
Mm. I like jumping about, it's weird.
I was doing exactly what Yuri ended the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm tired of them smiles at night alone. Put your hands at the cookie jar.
She's making tracks.
Okay, mate, okay.
The only bad thing about, you know, when you close in partials on MetaTrader online, you can't see what you're closing out for, whereas you can, can't you, on your phone?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't see.
I should get that.
Yeah, that's the worst bit about it.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see what you're closing.
Like the lovers do. Do. Yeah, I closed out 3 quarters. You know, as it hit the top.
Yeah.
More or less like now, about now. I just
Yeah.
closed 3 quarters of the position.
By the way, guys, you're welcome again. How aren't people watching which they're calling it?
Because it's glitchy audio.
So, calling like profitable trades every single day.
Yeah, you don't need audio to be fair.
Just saying exactly when we're getting in them.
Yeah. It works so. I think the strategy works so well because your stop is based on the candle break, so you can usually always get more than a 1:1 at least just to reward ratio.
Yeah.
I just closed off. I closed off for 0.75%. Then that was 0.75%, but I've still got like the remainder running.
Yeah.
And the remainder's at like 0.25%. So crackly. I can hear it crack. I can hear the feedback in my bloody earphones.
It's cracking up.
Yeah.
That's a TP hit, that.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. I've got my stop at break even now.
What did you hit for?
No point. There's no point losing, and they just because you want to leave it open, is there?
No.
Like even the thing is with the good thing about longing is your stop loss. It's got the full range to move in the stop loss on it. You don't have any have to worry about spread. So, but still, like, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I've still got like a decent amount in. There's still like, well, it's half a lot left in. So still quite a bit. It's not too bad.
Yeah, no. Good trade.
Yeah, that
TP hit.
was nice, that, didn't it? That was nice, actually.
Yeah, it literally came into that box, like TP hit,
Yeah.
like properly. It hit by, it like went into it, 0.2 of a fifth.
Yeah, you've got to be on the ball with it.
Yeah. Pushed up quite well then.
I think my computer just doesn't like doing it. I don't think it's powerful enough. I might scale everything down to 720p again.
Yeah, maybe.
You know, it's the 1080p.
Yeah.
But scale the base canvas down to 720p as well. So like, it's because before it was processing it in 1080, but then it was outputting it at 720, so it was like having to compress the whatever.
Right.
So I'm thinking maybe just do that, because obviously it's not good enough to run it at 720 1080, is it? I don't think.
No.
Well, to be honest, it is. The stream runs fine. It's the audio.
Yeah.
I genuinely think it might be Zoom.
Yeah, maybe.
if it pushes out the top of here, it could go a long way. Like I was having a look on the daily, and like you're breaking out of daily highs, and look at the area above.
Yeah.
Like I think you're good. I reckon you're good target wise. I think you can go up to 50 with it. I reckon at least go up to 50. Like
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
just based on round numbers. Like if it doesn't stop you out before it goes.
Yeah. Yeah, you need the momentum like now.
Yeah. It's unusual. I've noticed that recently. That like dollar CAD seems to work really well in London session.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
I've noticed it loads. It does it all the time.
Yeah, like another live trade called on stream.
It's mad, isn't it?
Be hit. Friggin' welcome.
There's at least one a day.
Literally, right? I was thinking last night that on stream we've taken every single trade we've taken on stream has hit. It hasn't just been profitable. It's hit target. Every single trade has hit target apart from one, and that one wasn't even our normal entry strategy. We were just trying something different.
Yeah.
Literally, like I say, it's not even like, oh yeah, but we managed it differently too, so we made profit. It's like, no, they all hit target. But you don't get many streams that do that.
No, actually hit a TP.
Yeah, like every single day.
You just have to
Yeah, I
sit
would
through
much rather.
correctly odd, yeah.
I know. So, it's definitely worth it. Yeah, I would much rather get my entry exactly where I want it and then pay like a commission, or like more of a commission.
What you mean on your
I mean?
position?
Yeah, like whatever the spread is, I'd rather just pay it and get my entry where it was.
Yeah.
Because you can go risk-free better as well.
Yeah. I'd have the best risk-free position here.
No, I don't. It's shy 'cause the spread.
I'm just watching it on the smaller time frames because if it's gonna flip and roll over, then it's gonna. Oh, to be fair.
I'm not bothered. It was hang on a minute.
You what?
1 second. So there's an inside leg overnight on 4:15 in the morning on EJ that hit target as well.
Oh, nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. It's just a very good entry strategy.
So this and this, and then at certain times, if there's nothing else, breakouts.
Yeah. Yeah, breakouts work well too.
Yeah,
You've
they do,
got-
to be fair.
But you just gotta take what you can. You don't like try and.
You have to manage them differently to this.
Yeah.
You can't manage them the same way. Like, I feel like on this strategy, you shouldn't like scale out if you're in a losing position.
Yeah.
Whereas a breakout, like if it's not going, then it's not going.
Yeah, if it's not happening, it's not happening, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to try and drop the base canvas back down to 720 and try and rejig everything, because it means like readjusting everything to screen, because obviously my laptop screen's hit in 1080p. So you have to adjust it, yeah. Not my laptop screen, you have to adjust this, like something to do with how it drops the resolution from screen to stream.
Right.
Screen to stream, yeah.
Screen to stream.
Yeah, whereas before it was picking it up on the studio, in OBS, sorry, as 1080p, but then OBS was dropping it to 720, so something like that.
Right.
It's annoying for me though as well, because I can hear the feedback in my earphones.
Yeah.
So when I click and it's loading, it's like going.
I don't know, it's a robot.
It's very strange.
You probably even take this as a breakout as well.
Above the height, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks good to be fair.
Double position.
Double.
Double position.
Yeah, you had a bit of a pause on the 4 hour.
Pause. For the third viewer, if you're actually a person, you just missed it. You missed the TP hit, trade, and trade.
What's this one? It is this one.
Rewind it and have a look.
Yeah, you can hear us going.
Can you?
No, you can't now. We're not doing it now. Well, I can't hear it now. It's when I'm clicking about when it does it.
Yeah.
Very annoying. I'm actually considering taking this as a breakout.
Oh yeah, do it. Double position. Making crap loud.
To be honest, I'm already in it, like a not a bad position. Like there's 0.25% risk in this break. If it breaks, I might just leave that, to be honest, because if it goes, it's probably going to go at least double or triple what it's done already.
Yeah.
If it goes to where my line is, my target is here at 577. It's 6. It's like another 1.5% up there. So that's in what I've got in now. Well, it's a bit less than quarter. It's about 0.2 actually. But yeah.
Yeah, like when you just pull the box up then. I would never try and hold a full position that long anymore.
No, not a chance.
Remember when we first started, you'd like try and hold it for ages just because you want commitment.
Like swing trading.
Yeah, it's like
Roy, he's got balls of steel on it.
Yeah, pretty big position sizes as well, so you can take a partial and make a crap load.
Yeah.
And that's his trading strategy, isn't it? So.
Yeah, but he's in positions for weeks. It's crazy, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's nice.
This actually does look really good for a breakout on small time frames.
Yeah. Breaky. Yeah, I was thinking the 50.
Yeah, I wouldn't. I'll probably take it 50. 577 is the actual supply-demand candle on the daily.
I said, "Ooh, girl."
The only issue is where you'd have to take the breakout above the very high, which is up at 364. but you could. There's definitely potential for it to do that. Just how I'm just having a quick look on the 5 minute time frame. Just at how it's forming, not to trade it, just how it's forming up. If you look on the 5 minute time frame, how it's forming up.
5 a.m.
If this 5 minute pushes from here, there's some momentum in this. Whereas if it pulls back, then it pulls back.
I can't believe we literally, that trade literally hit target in a minute, I'll tell you. In like 5 minutes.
Yeah. Like 1 5 minute candle. No. You triggered the same candle which triggered you in hit TP.
Yeah.
It's absolutely pouring it down outside, have you seen?
I know. Actually hit target in 4 minutes. But nobody watches.
If this breaks the 5 minute, I might just close it.
Yeah, like the low.
If it breaks the 5 minutes low, then I'll just close.
Yeah. You literally, we've called, if it even is someone watching, we've called a profitable, a target hitting trade every single, or almost every single day, apart from one.
Every single day apart from one.
Yeah, every single day apart from one.
Right,
Said when we were getting in it and like everything.
I've closed it. I've closed my little runner. This will come back down to entry now, I think, to be honest. It might not, but I'm pretty sure it will.
Should do it for Forex. Nice though, TP hit. Boom, boom.
Very good, very good. Very good, very good.
Very good, very nice. Trade, nice trade.
Yeah, well. Very well, very well. You're gonna come back to it, Jay?
Yeah, well done.
Yeah. Wait, did a Dalek and then...
Yes. Yeah, you are a Dalek. It hit target so nice, like just nicely to.
You look perfect on it.
Just went a little bit above. Nice, mate.
You had to be quick there.
Yeah. It held on there for a bit. Because it went back up there as well. Like it hit there on that 1 minute candle. Then it hit there on another minute candle, and then another 2 minute candles. So it hit it plenty of times.
Yeah. Yeah, it gave you. I get the first time it hit and then pulled back like 2 or 3 pips. Well, 2 pips, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could. Yeah, it was good.
We've only been streaming 39 minutes and we've already had a target hit.
I know. We better start looking at pound pairs, don't we?
I know. GJ's consolidating.
Oh, inside leg £1.05. Oh, I don't trade the 5 minute, but inside leg £1.05 minute looks good.
5 minutes.
Well, to be fair.
Oh yeah. That's already gone.
Yeah.
I'm not trading 5 minutes.
No, I'm not trading 5 minutes.
Does work though.
Yeah. I think that's the last time frame it does. That's the last time frame I'd probably trust, but it has to be in a really good position.
For me though, it has to like tie into all the other ones.
Yeah, well actually...
It's more of like an execution time frame. It's like, when's it ready? No.
Yeah.
Yeah, that trade from yesterday was so nice.
Yeah, it was. I can't believe that one that I missed on thingy. I was like,
Which one?
what? That UAN one I told you about.
Oh yeah, you're Where was that?
That was that big 30-minute candle drop. On the low. This one.
Yeah, I remember you saying.
Yeah.
Was it an inside leg or not?
Yeah, it was a weird inside leg, but it was the same principle as an inside leg. It was weird because the leg up had a resistance candle in it, so it had made a resistance candle, and then it pushed up, and then the next candle broke down, and then you got your inside leg form.
That was
and then it just
nice push.
Just rocketed through. It did 3/4 of the move in a minute, in 1 minute candle.
Sick as that.
Yeah, but I wasn't with it, was I?
Well, you took it.
I took it, but I bottled out.
You're a pussy, mate. You're a pussy.
It was really choppy. Like, I think there must have been some fundamental. I didn't actually check. Would it have got us? Would it got us for even? I think it would have got. Yeah, it would have got me for even. It went to 295.
Yeah.
Stopped at 298.
Same, mate. Same. Aye.
Hey laddie.
In the sky. My whole life has changed.
Did you see this Stephen Cortez post?
Yeah,
About the Beaverton Times, where it says you think people in finance want you to win, read this article and think again. It says we will halt trading if there's any more of this concerted effort from ordinary people to make money from a system that is only supposed to make money for select people. NASDAQ CEO Dina Friedman said today in response to the ongoing situation, the market must not be manipulated by anyone whose parents did not get them into Yale or Harvard. How bad is that?
As if.
System's flawed, isn't it? The thing is, I think the public know now, and I think it's
It's funny though because even the people know what they're gonna do about it.
Yeah, exactly.
Like you don't even know who these people are.
Well, that's it, innit?
Yeah, that's the thing. It's like if everyone became profitable at trading, they wouldn't let you do it.
Well, he says on one of his posts, he says it's like these currencies and stuff that are in the news. Once it's in the news, it's already done. Like he was saying, which is true. But if so there's like an opportunity to make 10 million people millionaires. Like that just wouldn't happen. Like they're never just gonna say say like the Bitcoin. They're never gonna say like make it boost sort of thing. They're gonna say alright, let's pump this currency. Pump some liquidity into this currency and make it boost and make everyone millionaires because they don't want everyone to be millionaires.
Yeah, no.
That candle looks so nice on dollar card.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
My whole life has changed. It's proper raining outside.
It's big, isn't it? Mangan. It's mangan.
We're chill now.
Yeah.
Taking on our trade.
For that day. Is pound dollar lined up for shorts by any chance? You want to have a look? I'm just on dollar CAD, that's all.
$1.
It's kind of got an open area on it to below it, like beneath.
Yeah. Not for a bit though. Champagne on the boat. You know what it is. You know what it is. Yeah, the problem is with the stream is like there's not a lot to do unless we're actually taking a trade, which we've already done. And it's like because there's no one talking, it's like, you know what I mean? What are you supposed to do?
Yeah, exactly.
It's like if there were people in here and we were like chatting about stuff and like it'd be sick.
Yeah, if there's like 20, 30 people just chatting,
Yeah.
it would be better. I was say pound dollar. What pound dollars? Yeah. The main issue with pound dollar is like you've got the bigger time frames are actually bullish, like the macros.
Yeah, I know.
The daily candle's bearish, but you've got daily structure bullish and 4 hour bullish.
That's why dollar CAD was so good. It's the 4 hours bullish now.
Yeah.
Dollar CAD's going up.
Yeah. Tell you what, this new internet's good though for the.
It's quick, innit?
Yeah, I'm looking at my connection status on my MetaTrader, and it's at like 15,000 or 16,000. We only used to get about 5,000 before.
What the hell?
Massive difference. Very much dollar CAD, I think.
Just gonna work out some areas for like the move up.
Yeah, is there anything further left?
There's a little bit of structure on that leg. Oh, actually, it's 15. 1 second.
I'm not even going to bother scrolling back, it'll just jump to hell. You can.
Yeah, on the 30 minute, around 42.
Right.
42, and then the next one is like the strong number at 50, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Deja vu. Yeah, so dollar card breakouts above the high. I think it will work.
Yeah.
Here comes the cure.
Yeah, it needs to probably get above it though.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to work out. Yeah. Come on, Simon.
Time is it? 6:38.
6:38. I'm in no rush to take this one. I want to really see something.
It's like for me on that. I think on the hourly. I'm not sure if I'd rather do it on the next hour candle.
On the next hour?
I'm not sure I'd rather it close above and then retrace back.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm actually going to take. I don't know. I'm probably not going to set an order for this.
Yeah, like the initial break.
Yeah. And if it goes, it goes. It's one of them. Like, so I've already got dollar card. The other one.
The first one.
Yeah. Yes. What price did you get triggered into that other one, by the way?
3, 6, 7.
Alright, so you must have got a bit better entry than I did.
Did I?
Yeah, mine was 375. It got me.
I'm market executed though.
Alright, I didn't.
So I think it went above and then I pulled back a little bit and then I thought.
Yeah, it makes a difference that does that, especially if you're in it like a good lot size.
Mm.
If you're in it like 4 lot, it's a big difference.
The hardest thing about breakouts is like knowing exactly when to do it.
That's the only thing. That's why you have to be a good way above the high normally. You have to be at least a pip and spread above, I would say.
Yeah, 1 pip plus spread.
Yeah. So like for this one, this is 362. I wouldn't want to be entering any lower than 38, I don't think.
No. Spread's so annoying.
Especially on dollar card.
Well, yeah.
It's not too bad
Yeah,
if you're taking a breakout on Euro US dollar, it's not too bad.
yeah.
Same with pound yen. Pound yen's about 0.7.
I'd say EJ is the best because it's like a low spread, but it's slightly more volatile than U.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm wondering if it's Zoom that's causing the audio weird.
Possibly.
Wonder if it was better with Skype.
Yeah, we could try it.
I feel like
try it
that's-
tomorrow.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I just feel like that might be it. I can't see me speaking to my own computer causing that much lag.
No.
But then it is me that's jumping as well, innit? So maybe it is. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, Adam. I don't. Is it? Yeah, like if you took it now, or like if you had taken it now, it's a bit on the hourly. You're relying on that 1 hour candle to be like pretty big.
Yeah, that candle's too big, I think. It happens, but like that candle's bigger than like the majority of the last few, and there's only 15 minutes left.
Yeah.
Like it's bigger than all the ones in this up leg, which obviously shows momentum, but it also like can catch you out. You don't want to be entering on the top of that candle.
No.
Not with you stop anywhere in the middle of that candle anyway. Your stop would have to be beneath the hourly candle if you were playing it like you've got. Honestly, timing candles is a massive thing.
Yeah, it is.
If you're trading like the last 15 minutes of an hourly candle and the candle's pretty big, there's not a great chance that it's going to break out. I don't think. And if it does, it'll be a massive candle like this.
Yeah. It depends on like the momentum of the day as well, I think.
Yeah.
How much has it got?
Yeah, I guess it's been pretty bullish as well.
Yeah, that's to be fair.
Do you know, for some reason, you know how the hourly doesn't have a lower wick?
Yeah.
I can see this next hourly candle opening and being fully red. Fully bearish.
Yeah.
Like I can see it. I can see this closing about here, maybe push up a bit, and I think it'll come down, and I think it'll create a lower wick with this wick for the previous candle.
Yeah, maybe. That's potential, mate. There's potential. Oh,
She lost 15. Yeah, look at the 15.
Well,
Yeah, I probably won't say this. Not yet, anyway. See what it does.
No.
So we'll put some of the other pairs. Let's keep it interesting, right? Keep it interesting. No wars. I'm not interested in EJ, I don't think. It's a bit choppy, innit? It's been a bit choppy recently.
Position wise, it's not it's not that good either.
No, the only really nice one was that one yesterday. I can't believe that yesterday.
Was I missing that?
Yeah. We literally been about 3% in a minute.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it just dropped. Must have been news, it must have been. Like, it literally went from, as it triggered me in, that's when the volatility started. So, like, the volatility spikes triggered me in. And then it was just it was ridiculous. It was like 2 or 3 pip jumps on Euro Yen, which is pretty crazy. So I just wanted to be out of it. I was like, yeah, this is not even fun. I hate it when it goes like that.
Yeah.
The thing is, you're at more of a risk as well of being clipped out. Because the spread usually widens, and you're going short. Yeah.
It's a bit dodgy. Thing is though, when you place the order, you don't know that it's going to be.
No, that's it. Yeah, that's why when it came back to entry, I was like, I'll just call it even, because I didn't know it was going to bomb like that. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think the last 15 minutes of hourly candles, you can almost write them off for trading, depending what the candle looks like.
Yeah.
Well, no, that's probably a lie. If you're trying to take breakouts, the last 15-minute candle of the hourly candle I would avoid it probably.
It's weird because sometimes the hourly will push at the end. You know what I mean? Yeah,
that's true as well. Yeah. Well, that's what I mean. I mean, if the candle's already massive, don't trade the 15-minute if you want to try and trade like a breakout or something.
Yeah.
You're better off letting it close and then the first 15-minute pull back of the hourly, and then you trade the second and the third 15-minute of the second hour.
Move, innit?
Yeah.
Aye.
Yeah, that works. I think that's a pretty good, strategy.
Yeah, definitely. In breakouts, you have to really time them well.
Yeah.
Which is hard because sometimes they'll just go.
Well, it's like I said about the wicks, the upper and lower wicks. Sometimes you just miss them. It's just how it is.
Yeah. Yeah, it'd be good on the stream to have a pick, a profit cam.
Yeah. Yeah.
That'd be good, that. Because maybe when people come then, they're like, oh, they're taking a trade there.
A bit, Roger does that, I've seen.
Yeah.
I think it's so people don't always, I think he always gets people asking. People will always be like, oh, have you taken a trade this stream? Have you taken a trade this stream? It's like, yeah, look, it's there.
That left made it from there.
Everything is very sideways at the moment. EU very...
We literally got the momentum of the morning.
Yeah.
Our time literally flew. You know what, you could tell when we triggered it and it pushed up and it pulled back up a little bit and it pushed again, you could tell by the way it was pushing, it was like this candle has momentum.
Yeah. You can read it. You can tell when it doesn't as well.
Yeah, you can. I've noticed you can't read every candle.
Yeah.
Watching this candle, I don't know. I don't have any bias. Whereas you know when it's bad and you know when it's good.
Well, the thing is, I think most traders have sat through enough drawdowns and watched the candles fluctuate enough to know exactly how it moves.
Yeah. Probably an essential part of your learning, that.
Probably.
doing stuff you shouldn't be doing.
Yeah. Helps. I've just realised that, you know, on the TradingView, you've got a little, you've got like the sidebar, haven't you, watch list and everything, and then you've got the actual currency pair itself and the performance.
Yeah.
You can actually work out, you know, I look at the daily candles. You can actually work out what the daily candle is by looking at the day's range, can't you? Like if it's red on the day's range, then the daily candle is bearish.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello.
Moving.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you. Merci.
Merci pour tes passages. Thank you.
You're a retard. Razzle dazzle. Jizzle drizzle.
A lot of fun in that.
Jizzle drizzle.
Yeah, you know, if you go on the dollar card on the 5-minute time frame, and you know when, just around when you were closing it, you was like, and it gave that like kind of inside leg. That's just a perfect example that inside legs don't work when it's bullish.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Well, short inside legs don't they? That just shows like, because I went through that stage, you know, when we were testing it, and like it was like win, and then I had loads of losses on it. It's like, and I couldn't work out why. And then it was because I was going. It's literally like if I saw one, I'd take it. You've got to take into consideration, like, because even if you took a short in a bullish market, but from like a high point, it's probably going to work. But you can't take it to the low because it's bullish. It's probably going to make a high low.
That's probably why you got win, loss.
Yeah. Yeah, like when in that testing phase, it was weird, and then now I'm like, because I've literally not a single inside leg was lost. Literally, like not a single one. Well, since the stream started, every single inside leg has hit it. It's literally hit TP.
It's gnarly, Jimmy. It's gnarly.
It's pretty nice.
It is pretty crazy.
I think the more you trade the same thing, the more experience you get and the more accurate you are. And like, it's like yesterday, like I knew to leave it at first, and then it ended up pushing like it wouldn't have worked. And then it came down and I was like, oh, now there's no way that it's going to just come back down to that point. You just kind of know because you see that pattern all the time. You don't play anything else. Yeah. you start to get a really good like intuition with it. The big thing is like if you have like losses and stuff, you can't like go and look for like another setup straight away. But oh yeah, maybe this will move to here, and I could take that and I could make money. It's like, yeah, but why not just wait for like a proper setup and then just, you know what I mean, and then make more. Oh,
there's enough of them.
Yeah, it's just like you can't want your revenge like straight away.
No.
I was looking away.
Hey, Cody, how's it going?
Yo,
Nice
going to the gym.
Yeah, nice to see that. Oh yeah, sorry about the glitchy audio as well. I'll apologise in advance. We think it's something to do with just got into this room. Oh nice. Yeah, we think the audio is a bit shaky using Zoom, so we're going to try using Skype tomorrow. It's literally like we're still pretty much in the testing phase, aren't we, Jim? Really?
Yeah, we've only started.
It's like 10. No, not the 10th stream. What would it be? The 8th stream? 9th stream? I think.
Something like that. Are you trading this morning, Cody?
No problem, just curious on dollar card. What's your profit target? Oh,
We've actually just
go on, Jim.
taken a profitable setup. I'll let you show, madam. You're sharing. Just giving.
Right. Yeah, so we took it on. I look on based on structure, which I'm depending how you've been taught. I'm not sure if you look at structure in the same way as we do, but I have the 30-minute structure is bullish, the 4-hour is bullish, the daily candle is also bullish, but the daily actual structure is bearish, and then obviously the weekly is bullish as well. And then so basically the market moved away from this resistance area, found support, and then made minor resistance, and then we buy above the minor resistance with like a buy stop with our stop beneath the candle, which triggers us in, and then so our targets were here, so we've actually been in and out already. But we were contemplating buys above the high as well, up to this area. There's probably a target somewhere. It was resistance at 42, Jim, I think. Some resistance here.
It was minor resistance at 42.
Minor resistance at 42, and then a potential further target at 50. That's exactly what my thinking was as well. Oh, good. Then,
yeah, if you get like a nice strong move up to the high, because it's bullish and it's probably going to go along at some point. You just got to
wait for it.
Yes, I think if we see momentum back up to that high and like a nice close, might get the breakout.
Yeah.
But
Over there, it's a task.
The owl is obviously not closing as good as it was doing before. Like before, it was closing, especially when it was right up at the high. If it had closed like that, and then you'd had a small pullback and then push, that would have been a lot nicer than it's looking now.
yeah.
Yeah, I think 50 is a good target.
Yeah. Yeah, see, this candle's pushing with some momentum.
Mm-hmm.
How did you find the stream, Cody? Like 7 o'clock candle up in that time.
Yeah, it's a Euro session, isn't it?
It's just no remaking new times.
It keeps touching and making something.
Yeah. Alright, okay. That's cool. So he was looking up live Forex and we came up.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh, no.
decent. Yeah, we said it earlier on stream, but no one was on. But we started the stream like 2 weeks ago. Well, we've done it for 2 weeks and then this week. So almost 3 weeks. And every single day we've taken a profitable trade live on stream, apart from one day. So it's been pretty good, to be fair.
Oh, he does it every night. Whereabouts are you from?
I'm from USA, Missouri.
Every night we'll do it.
Yeah, what time zone's that?
From USA, Missouri. Hey. Nice.
That's one. Oh, okay, it's 7 o'clock here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's class.
1 or 2 a.m.
Let night stop now. Bloody hell, have you seen like the 1 minute on dollar card? It's like absolutely exploded.
Yeah.
Question is, Cody, are you buying the breakout?
I'm not sure about without the lower wick. You've got 2 hourly candles now without lower wicks.
Yeah, I don't even know what you're.
It's got lol yet. Let it properly break, to be honest. I would let it. What did it tap? 368. With spread, that's probably 375. Yeah, I wouldn't have been triggered in yet if I was. I don't actually have an order on this one, but I would have said 3.8 onwards. You'd be good.
Oh crap! I always do that. I'm on my laptop screen, and I type in a time frame like 30 minutes, and it goes back to like 30 minutes on the stream.
Oh, really? Need confirmation first, yeah.
Need confirmation first.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
It's good that you wait for confirmation.
We were just saying before. I think it was just before you came on. You've got to perfect. You've got to stick to the same one. You've got to become like a one-trick pony and perfect that one strategy that you use, or like one or two. Like we trade, we call it an inside leg, which is what I took this morning. What Adam explained, and then breakouts. Like it's just them two. Then you just get better at it. And then there ain't no stopping now. You guys do this full time? I did do for like 3 years, and then now like some things changed, and I'm currently just I'm working for Amazon for like I'm literally just starting working for Amazon for like 3 days a week, and then doing this. But I'm currently doing an FCMO challenge. I don't know if you've heard of them before, but it's like a prop firm, so they fund traders. So I'm just doing the challenge now. I'm doing pretty well on it, to be fair. So I'm going to kind of juggle them two about, so trading and then that as well.
Yeah, we've found that you trade better when you're not relying on it, I find.
Yeah, it's funny because like you could be making a lot of money from trading, but yeah, I don't know. It's hard because it depends how experienced you are and how like good you are at managing yourself. Because the thing is, when you're a trader, you've got a lot of time on your hands. it's very easy to like. There's nothing that's set that you like have to do. There's no structure in your life, so you have to create your own structure. But then the only way that works is if you're disciplined enough to keep the structure in your own life. Whereas if you've got like a job, even if it's just a few days a week, it's like that is there. You have to be there. So it puts structure in your week. So even if you was making a lot of money, it's probably a good idea to have a part-time job until you're literally like, I literally don't need this job anymore. You know what I mean? Unless you're making a lot of money.
Or something else, like property, or your own business, or anything.
Yeah.
Just as long as you're not just going now, 394.
Yeah, it's hard. It's hard to just put everything on one thing. It's also not smart either. So yeah, that's that. Yeah. Similar thing to me, to be fair. But then you come out the other side and it's like you're way better. Breakout.
We need a little breakout alarm, don't we?
Or if you're interested, hang on a sec. What's it called? Trader TV Live.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you've heard of that, it's so funny. It's on at like 1:30 our time, so what time will that be there? Like 7 o'clock in the morning, will it, for him? 7:30?
They're in.
Trade stocks, don't
They're in Ontario, Canada, which is east coast of Canada, I think. And they start at. It starts at 2:30 here.
they? No, it starts at 1:30. They actually start trading.
It starts at 1:30, yeah, and the it's based out of Ontario, yeah. It's I think what will it be? The market opens at 2:30 here, which so if it's 7 here and it's 1 a.m. for you, 6 hours back, so it'll be 1:30. No, it'd be it'd be first thing in the morning
7:30.
for you. Yeah, 7:30.
7:30.
Have you already worked it out?
7:30. 7:30, 8:30. They start trading at 2:30 here, so that'll be 8:30 for you.
Yeah.
But they're absolutely nuts. They day trade stocks, but it's like 1 minute time frame stuff. And they're going nuts, aren't they? And there's like loads of different screens, and it's like a massive.
Dollar CAD's going.
Oh my god!
See you later.
Bloody hell. Yeah, it's funny, man.
Beautiful. Yeah, so that's what happens usually. Look at that. That's sick. 4-4.
What were you doing? Day trading stocks?
Yeah, it's sketch. You've proper gotta know what you like. Really know what you're doing. I wouldn't want to do it.
Yeah.
There's so many wicks.
Yeah, I don't really know how to trade stocks, to be honest. Yeah, same. Yeah, we try and give like a bit of education, but it's more like us just saying what we do. It's not really an educational thing. We just want to kind of make a community of just like traders where you can just like chat about stuff.
Yeah, well, like yourself, like you've popped in here and started chatting, and it instantly just turns the stream into something else.
It's better, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because like we said, the reason why we started it, we was like, well, we'll be sat here every morning anyway, so why not just go live on YouTube and just see if people come. Do you normally trade at that time then?
I'd have definitely taken partial on this, by the way. Now I'm going to break even, I think. Breakout, you've got at least 1-to-1 from the candle on you, so.
It's funny, and it's bullish, and like it just always goes long.
Yeah.
It sounds obvious, but like when it's bullish, it always goes long.
Yeah.
That's why if you have like a grasp of the bigger time frames, the smaller time frames are easy. It's just a case of timing. I'm being pressure.
No, good.
That's sick. That.
Yeah, good.
You just trade Forex then, or?
Did you catch that, Jim, or did you not bother?
I didn't bother with it.
No, I didn't take it.
I probably would have done if we didn't take the other one.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was already...
Stop loss was massive.
I was watching it on the hourly, so I don't actually know whether... Let's have a look.
I'm looking at it on 15 minute. It only did like a 1-to-1 on the 15 minute. That's the thing, like you see all these moves, but it's like, yeah, but can you get in them?
Yeah, you could have taken it on the 30. Yeah, like you say, 1-to-1.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, with spread it would have been a 1-to-1, I think.
You guys use indicators? No, mate, we don't use any indicators. We used to. I did a swing trading course. Well, we both did a swing trading course, like a year ago. So, and yeah, he used what was it now? EMAs and the MACD, I think.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I've never really liked indicators, to be honest. You don't really need them, like the candles in the markets telling the story.
It's like raw price action, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know. It depends what your strategy is. The best thing, it doesn't even matter what you do. The best thing is find the strategy that works, and then just trade that. Like that's it. What's your strategy like? Do you use indicators and stuff? Like what are you profitable with?
It worked perfectly, as we said, Jim. You know, with the on the hourly time frame, waiting for the hourly close.
Yeah. Oh, do you know what as well? You know where it's pulled back from?
Yeah.
What price? 42.
Do you like 45ish? 445.
No, what price did I say? Was it like 42 or
42? Yeah, 42.
Yeah, it's pretty much it there, and just pulled that. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, again, you know the candle that just broke.
Yeah.
Again, like when it opened, I was like, this candle's got momentum. You can tell when it's got momentum. That candle looked exactly the same as the candle that we took.
Yeah. Candle. You're right, little glitch on then.
Was it?
Yeah. Candle.
Candle. Always been sad. Did you take the long coder?
Yeah, he was in.
What's that?
He was in.
Oh, did he take it?
He's put enter in it once it breaks through, with confirmation.
Always been savage. Did you take the trade? Dollar card. Brand new, huh? I got in 128, 38. Oh, nice.
38, 2 thoughts. Nice. Perfect. 38 and above. That's what I would have done.
Nice breakout.
Yeah.
Is that the strategy that you're profitable with then? You take breakouts. See? Just came on stream and he's made money already.
Using his own strategy. Yeah, no, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got to get high enough. It needs to be high enough above. It needs to be at least, like for me, I do pick and the spread. Usually. Or the highest spread, because the spread usually fluctuates. Like I think dollar cards is between like 0.6 and 0.8 or 0.5, 0.8. Yeah, I run every day. Yeah.
You start around 5:30 our time and then finish 8:30 depending.
So that'll be pretty good for you actually if you want to come on again. 5:30 works quite nice. It's only, what will it be, 11:30 for you?
We need to get some regulars in here.
Yeah, it works quite well actually for those guys like Cody and stuff, because the earlier stream, the 5:30 start on a stream, it makes it so it's not ridiculously late for a lot of those people, like a lot of East Coast guys. Because Missouri's fairly east, isn't it, in America, I think.
Missouri?
Yeah, it's fairly, I think it's fairly east. Well, it's got to be on it.
Toilet.
It's 6, isn't it? -6. So New York's -5. Trading in the markets. We dabble about in stocks a little bit and a little bit in cryptos, but nothing to mean anything. What about yourself? In the middle of the US, yeah. Yeah. Do you?
What a trade that would have been.
It's a beast, is that dollar card, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
It's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
What? Trades in the crypto and Wall Street.
Yeah, so the Nasdaq. Yes.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, crypto's alright. It's good fun. It's dropping, isn't it? I don't know. XRP's recovered this morning a little bit. 2.8% up. Bitcoin's 2.9. I want Bitcoin to come back down to like 24, 22. I think people are focusing 22, aren't they? That's what I mean. A lot of people, like, I know a couple of the other streams are like, oh, we're not talking about crypto and we're not talking about, like, I'll pretty much chat about anything. I'm not bothered. Oh, did you? Nice. 37,000. Get in there. $6,000 short. We'll take that. I'm shooting for a swing. Yeah, it's probably a good idea. Do you have to pay a commission on your short positions? So I know you're long. If you enter if you long the underlying stock, currency, crypto, whatever it is, you don't pay any commission via we trade. But as soon as you're trying to short, you have to pay a commission and spread and all that crap.
Short Bitcoin.
Sure, Bitcoin, that's fair play, isn't it?
Go on, lad. What was the reason for that? Just gut feeling.
Jesus, my stomach is growling so bad. Yeah. Nice.
Yes.
Which I don't eat. Yeah.
Yeah. You tend to find that everything that you think is wrong. Like I always find when you're doing the right, it's like in trading, when you're doing the right thing, you feel like you're going against everything that you believe. But then that's the right thing to do. That's why it takes discipline. Oh, okay. Is X happy? You're going to explode.
Yeah, we're both sitting on XRP, aren't we?
I've closed now.
Have you?
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm still in XRP.
I had such a good entry on that.
I'm like 17% drawdown, I think, on XRP.
I had at one point on that first position, I was at like nearly 50%. It was like 40 odd percent up.
Here we go, Jim. First TP on dollar card, about to hit.
Oh yeah, 50. Good one.
Yeah. You sure they're going to get a pullback from 50? Pretty sure you're going to get a pullback from 50. You're going to get something from 50. Nice. That was a nice move. $492. It's almost there. $498. Here we go. It's gonna hit. There we go. TP. Oh.
Jesus.
Nice. Are you still in that, Cody?
What a beast, man. Wow.
Nice.
Wackaroony.
Yes. Good lad. Yeah. Up almost. Nice. Good effort. Good effort.
That's worked to a T this morning. Our
Yeah.
entry.
Our entry, and then a
Pushed
breakout.
up, hit TP,
Yeah.
or hit our TP, made a pullback and then continued to the next
Yeah.
TP.
50 was the first target. Both
Almost.
got out at 128502. Oh, perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. 50. I would have had a TP set at 50.
You've put almost $100.
Yeah.
Buy yourself a bag of Haribos. Nice. Nice,
Yeah.
nice.
Good.
Do you take partials or do you just close it all?
That's for me, like, like for me, I'm not even bothered how much people make. It's more, oh, good lad, 28.50. Yeah, perfect. That's perfect position. Yeah, he does. Perfecto. Yeah.
Nice.
Final target for me is 577, but I don't even. Like, after that, I don't even know. That's above the daily high. That's above the. No, sorry, it's above the daily high now. That's the first supply demand on the day. What is your limit? 500 to 1. I think we trade. I think
What mine is?
In fact, that's a good point. I don't actually know what it is on.
Because I'm currently just doing a FTMO challenge. I don't know what it is.
It says on it. I'm just looking at.
Is it?
Yeah. It's on the credentials, is it? No. It definitely says somewhere. I've seen it. It might say actually when you get it sent. You know when you get your login details sent through to you.
Yeah,
I think it says it on there. It's either 200 or 500 to 1. Yeah, I know. It's good, but it's bad. But it's wait, 500 to 1 leverage. Yeah, 500 to 1 leverage. Yeah.
It's never really mattered to me as in leverage because
We're just 1% anyway.
you just it's just like 1% risk for trade.
Oh shit, yeah.
What's that?
The US are capped to 50. I remember seeing reading this thing about that. Yeah. It doesn't matter. The leverage is only good if you want to enter like 30 positions at once. That's the only if you're in 1 or 2 positions, like you could probably have a 25 to 1 leverage or a 20 to 1 leverage. Wouldn't really matter.
Just never a very good strategy to over leverage yourself.
No. It's all to do with margin, isn't it? No, I wouldn't worry about it being 50 to 1. If you can take trades like you just did then you only need to be in one of them at once, really. Like, it's fine.
Yeah. Less is more.
Pretty much. Very rare that we enter more than one trade at once. We're going to get final TP here in a minute. What shall leave us securities? Oh, I honestly don't know. Not sure. Never actually looked.
What do you leverage on securities? What securities?
So it's a different. Let me see. Should I say it? You could never know that we were going to do that. I thought we'd get a pullback off 50. I would have had a TP at 50. I think you did right to put TP there.
Smashed it. Smashed. That's what happens when you go with the trend.
Alright. Stopped him. I didn't actually know it myself, to be honest. I knew it was a different thing to trade, but
Any shares that I've bought have just been 1-to-1 leverage.
yeah, because they're all buying the underlying stock then, aren't you? Yeah, because we don't pay commission on our stocks. Swap charges on all that stuff.
GameStop over there. A GameStop?
No. That's what the guys on the Trader TV Live were trading, Jim. You know the one that guy got absolutely nuts over when it exploded?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. No, we don't have GameStop. We have a game station, I think it's called over here.
Is that GME?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that candle, that is absolutely ridiculous. That's the first half hour of the hour, the candle.
Nice that. I know. Yeah, I heard about that.
Yeah, how much percentage did it actually do? It went a long way. Was it like 60% or 50%?
That's a company, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not like Bitcoin.
No, it's a company.
Have you seen it on the chart, on the weekly chart? It went up like 500%. GME.
Oh, it's glitchy.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Oh, Jesus, yeah. 20 to 380. And from $50 a share a few days ago to £4. Bloody hell. That's ridiculous. That's just this week, isn't it? Yeah, that's just this week.
Oh, yeah, that's this week, isn't it?
That's 4 days worth of movement.
I thought it had like already happened. Like that's literally recent, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's mad. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Got 10,000 in Apple. I bought after market. The earnings report came out yesterday, so fingers crossed.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Did you get bought into the position line? Or is it to be bought in today? Obviously after market hours does it open positions? I say we don't really trade stocks that much, so we don't really know how they work to be honest.
I have to mark 15 seconds before I go. Damn. Damn, son. Where did you find this?
I can't believe how nice the dollar CAD's moved this morning. It's
Oh.
not even like, it's 7:30 London, well it's not even London session yet, and dollar CAD's just been absolutely crazy.
Bloody crazy. All the pairs have made strong moves.
Yeah. Pound yen's an exotic, isn't it?
You guys ever trade exotics? Nah, exotics. It's like some friggin' don't know, like rupees and stuff like that. I don't know.
Yeah.
You know, like they're weird currencies.
Yeah, no, I've heard of it before, to be fair.
Oh yeah, it's but yeah, meaning less common currency.
Yeah.
Yeah, nah. You don't need to. You could trade like one currency pair if you wanted to.
Dollar CAD's hit final TP.
That's it.
It's above it.
Ridiculous.
Like Pakistani against the Mexican peers. No. 3 camels for 5 sausages.
3 camels for 20,000 grains of rice.
Yeah.
Positions I have open now, those are position starters.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. To be fair, my favourite sessions are pre-London and London. But like I said, it depends when you execute.
Yeah, we'll usually trade like the first 2 hours of London normally, if we're here.
There's been some strong moves today.
Mm.
Very nice, mate, very nice. What was your final TP on dollar card? What price was it?
57.7.
Oh, smashed it.
Yeah, that was the supply demand on the daily. Did it?
Oh, really?
Yeah, I hit 577. Yeah, 577 coded. That was what I had. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Moves when you stay consistent.
Yeah, you'll have to subscribe, Cody, and you'll have to come on every morning. It's good. Chat about stuff.
Yeah. It'd be good to have some regulars in here.
Yeah, Tej hasn't been in for a few days, has he?
No.
I'll message him.
Trader.
I'll see how he see how his baby pips is coming on.
Yeah, I mean, it seems like you can already trade yourself, but if you wanna, that's our Instagram page. We've got some like explanation videos on like how we trade and stuff on there. It's quite good.
Yeah, link it, Jim.
I don't know how you send a link from Instagram.
Can you send a link from Instagram?
Sure. If you go on Instagram and just type in Hurst.fx, it'll be the first one. Yeah, there's some pretty good stuff on there. Like I say, it's just for fun, really.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nothing serious. I'm not trying to sell anyone anything. We don't really care about that sort of stuff. There's enough of that on the internet. Enough of that shit.
Yeah, dollar card was the trade this morning.
Yeah, that was nuts. Any other Forex pairs that you're looking to get in? Not this morning, I don't think now. I hadn't really done any other analysis on these ones. We just looked at dollar card, didn't we?
Yeah.
But we usually trade the ones that you can see on the screen. Those 5 trades, those 5 Forex pairs: Euro yen, Euro dollar, pound yen, pound dollar, and dollar cad.
Euro dollar looks pretty bearish. It's just a case of waiting for an entry on it.
Well, yeah, we've got everything's bearish.
Yeah, so Euro dollar to the downside, but it just depends on your style of entry.
Yeah, like you're coming into a sort of a clean area now beneath here and the low. Like I say, it's just how you want to play it. Again, though, you're getting towards that last 15 minutes of the hourly candle.
Yeah.
So it's like, and look how much of a move it's already made on this hour. So, US dollar has been slowly climbing since Biden got in. Yeah, I think it'll keep going as well. It's a bit more of a, well, he's definitely more of a stable sort of guy than Trump, or that's how people see it anyway.
Didn't do it right.
The sea, the sun. Do.
Yeah, $1. I don't know if you could get that breakout or not. It's not. It wouldn't have worked initially.
The break on what time frame?
Well, just to break out that low.
Nah, it's too much. It's made too much of a move towards it, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, dollar card was such a nice move.
Yeah, it's looking as though the price is sort of halted around that.
Yeah, around the low.
Dollar card. No, a dollar card.
That's all right. Yeah.
Yeah. So they can collaborate as well. Good lad.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. That.
Appreciate
Nice
that.
one.
Yeah, appreciate that.
That'd be cool.
Like I say, it's so easy to, if you've got a stream, it's just so easy for everyone to chat then. It's so easy for everyone to talk about the same thing, so you can still be on the computer and just speak to people and ask what their opinion is, and yeah, it's
Just something to have in the background while you're trading. Like, you'd be here anyway. You'd be at the charts anyway. So
yeah.
just chill, innit? Just chilling.
But yeah, appreciate that.
Yeah, $1. It should go down to the lows, but it's just a case on like how it's going to do it. Like, is it going to make a pullback from here, or is it going to break straight through? You have to just see what happens with the candles.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll keep trying to get this audio better as well.
I don't know why it's really bad today.
Yeah, Cody, how's it actually been? Like, since you've been on the stream, has there been any dropouts in audio, or what's it been like? Because we're contemplating dropping it from 1080p to 720p just to free up a bit of like a bit of speed on the computer. I think the CPU saves the CPU, doesn't it?
The audio is good. Huh.
There's no glitchy, jumpy. Oh, maybe not. Maybe it's just my computer like a dinosaur and takes it. It's not. The thing is, it's not a bad computer. It's a pretty good computer. All right, good. That's fine then. I will leave it then.
Problem solved.
I don't know. I think it's when I start. Oh, the video is good. Good. It's when you start clicking. It's when I start clicking around. It's like my computer's like, I can only do one thing at once. Oh,
I'll tell you what. Actually, it only did it at the start. Like since Cody's been on, like the last half of the stream,
Yeah.
you haven't glitched.
Just did it then. It did it on my earphones anyway.
Unless it's just through our Zoom.
Yeah, like it's picking up both audios. Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe.
It seems to be when I start clicking around. If I start doing this, has the audio gone now?
No.
No. I'm just going to have to buy a supercomputer. I'll spend about £3 on a computer. Stay with me. Well, if it's working alright then. Gotta click out of... yeah, baby. Yeah, Jim. Cody said to click out of Pornhub. That's what it is, Jim.
How did you know? I can't see that comment.
Can you not?
No.
It's because it's
Maybe
used.
Maybe because my computer's got parental guidance on it.
Yeah, you're only 12, aren't you, Jim?
Yeah.
Only 12 and I'm a professional Forex trader.
And you know Scottish?
I'm Scottish. So, got the pullbacks. I'm gonna bounce anyway, I think. Got set off to Amazon soon.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah. Good, some good trade this morning.
It's been alright, hasn't it? It's not been too bad.
Alright. Right, yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. Right. Good speaking to you, Cody. And see you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow. I'll stay on tight.
Oh, okay. Catch you later.
Yeah, in a bit, mate. That'll free up some. See you tomorrow, so to speak. Yeah, he'll be in tomorrow. Right. See you. Oh, I'm staying on, Cody. Unless you're getting off. I'll stay on for another 15. Stay till 8. Stay till London open. Yeah, delete history. Yeah, I'll keep an eye. Keep an eye on a couple. I'll watch Euro dollar. Like I say, we think it's found some pretty good support here though. Ooh, that's highlighted. Don't move. This could be an area. If it, Yeah, so if it creates support here, you then want it to find resistance, and then as it starts pushing back down to the support, you could then potentially take it down to the lows. It should come down to the lows, I would say. Oh yeah, look at the rejection as well, Cody, off that target on dollar card. It's almost back at entry, or it would be almost back at entry. Yeah. Yeah, you'd be out for even, I reckon, now. Oh, it's 4. I went to 40, didn't it? Yeah. Oh, to continue on. Yeah, I'd wait for it. Well, the good thing is now is it's gone the daily. If I was gone the 4 hourly, have a look. Yeah, see now you've broken this high. Get my drawing bent. You've broken here, haven't you? So I think if you can get, obviously now it's broken. If we retrace and you find some like 15-minute, 30-minute support, there's no reason why once it breaks, say like the bottom candle on the bearish move, there's no reason why you can't long above that and aim for these highs again or even higher. I mean, this is pretty good. It's a pretty good area of resistance. So you might get some issues as the price pushes into this area, but yeah, really, I mean, you could probably aim for here first and then maybe up here. You could keep going. So strong downwards. Yeah, it shows rejection off that price, which it should really, based on the daily. If I go on the daily time frame, that was what my target was from. It's the bottom of the supply demand, so the bottom of the bearish candle, which started the bearish move on the daily. So this candle here. So yeah, that's why I had my first target there. And look at the rejection off it. Yes, you've got first TP, second TP's like here, maybe the wick, depending. You probably do here first, but yeah, I think you're gonna have some of that. It's good that we're on the same page with it though. I always find that helps when you're taking trades. If you take a trade and you say, like yourself, when you messaged and you asked what was your opinion on dollar CAD, or what was our opinion on dollar CAD, and when you've not hinted at anything in terms of your analysis, and then we come up with the same thing, it always gives you a bit more of confidence to take a trade, doesn't it? Forex bullish. Yeah, no worries, mate. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna call it now, I think, anyway. I'm gonna like the first 15 minutes, half an hour, play out on the London session, then probably come back. So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Appreciate you following along as well, and subscribing, and yeah, getting your mates. So yeah, you too, bud. See you in a bit.